Let me explain you how you can sign up for the Chat GPT. Just go to any of the browser and just write Chat GPT here. Once you click on the Chat GPT, it will ask you to log in or sign up. You can just sign up. When you click on sign up, it will ask you to sign up using your any of the email address. So I personally recommend going with the Google. So you might have already signed up with Google. So you can just click on Google and you will be signed up. That's it. So I have already signed up. I'll just get inside this, click on login, and I'll be using my Google account to log in into ChatGPT. So this is how you can log in into ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI, and there are two versions of ChatGPT. One is 3.5 and 4. 3.5 is absolutely free. 4 is a paid one. ChatGPT is like your personal assistant. So you ask him any questions and he will answer you in the form of text. Literally any question, guys, any question. So you can start learning something new. If you want to find out some historical things, if you want to make a career, if you want to write a resume, if you want to write a mail, if you want to cross check something, anything, you just need to write it and the answers will be on your screen. So Chat GPT can be installed in your mobile phones also. So you can just go to your Play Store or your App Store, install Chat GPT, and your window also looks something like this. So I'm using it in my laptop and it looks in this way. So here you just start writing a question. It may be uh, any type of question you ask them and ChatGPT will answer you. The way you write a question is called as a prompt. The way you write a prompt is really very important because the ChatGPT should understand what are you trying to ask. Okay, so here you have few examples here. I'll show you one simple example. You can see here, write a mail. So when I click on this, it is taking a prompt. So this is called as a prompt. So the prompt they have taken is, write a short mail to my professor requesting a deadline extension for my project. I don't really have a good excuse and I'm fine owning up to that. So please keep it real. So this is a prompt. So they have written a prompt like, I want a short mail to the professor extending the deadline for my project and so on. And Chat GPT got the answer. Beautiful. You can see here. So the subject, it is giving you the subject also, and it is giving you the detail, or you can call a complete template. You can just copy this, click on this, copy this, go to your Gmail and paste it, and just edit few things here. You just write, edit the professor's name, and you can see here, I hope this mail finds you well. I'm writing to request my extension for upcoming project deadlines. I understand the importance of heading the deadlines and the responsibility it entails and so on. You can just read it and your mail is done, guys. So even you can edit this prompt. So here we got only 2 or 3 paragraphs. If you want more details, you can just click on this edit and you can write like, write a long mail. So see the magic now. Instead of short, I'll just write a long mail and just click on save and submit. And once I click on save and submit, you can see you got a detailed one now. Detailed one. Previously we got only 2 or 3 paragraphs, and now you got many paragraphs here. So you can see here, by just writing a simple prompt from short to long, you get a beautiful answer here. So dear professor, I hope this mail finds you well. I'm writing you regarding the upcoming deadlines for my project name. So you just edit your project name, you edit your original deadline and so on, and you are done. See, beautiful. You can write all the mails. You can even write a content. You can do whatever you want. So if you want to go to your previous answer, just click on this, and this was your previous prompt. You can call this as a question, but in the AI language, it is called as a prompt, and you can see your previous answer is here. So this is how you can leverage ChatGPT fully. So I'm here to explain you how ChatGPT can be leveraged in your day-to-day life, how you can write a resumes, how you can create a resumes, how you can create a cover letters, how you can start preparing for your interviews, how you can get an experience using a Chat GPT and crack any job. Not only job, if you are working real time, if you're working on any of the project, how you can use ChatGPT to develop your code, develop your knowledge, or if you are upskilling yourself, how you can use ChatGPT. I'm going to explain you everything, guys, everything, because I tried it personally. I am using it from the last 1 year. It was launched in November 2022. Okay, so I hope you got a brief understanding on how to sign up for the ChatGPT and how ChatGPT works. And this was a simple example, guys. So if you like the content, I request you to please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and stay tuned for more videos on ChatGPT. Thank you for watching again. See you in the next video, guys.